Kani gadega Patisi TV, bat pidang pej yaki kubor baman kasni.
Kumbalonglam hasatla kapertai ka Jilla Meghalaya ru kala Rakhe kasni World Mental Health Day dak Jingïatai ther halor ka phang padang ka bedai bat kisamla bat ka bor pakhat perdan jongki kumjo ka koi ka khia hakajok jingkala ka bamanta yakani kelempong jong ka National Mental Health Program lapelong ha ka jaka aji kai jong ka Manru Institute of Integral Training Shillong balapanya dak ka National Health Mission ringkat ka jingkersan dak ka Ministry of Health and Family Welfare jong ka sarkar pedang ha ka jelang play la pedang sobha ya baro do director jong katnat ka koi ka khia u Dr. T.S. Nongklau ha ka jo ka por u bolong ru joint mission director jong ka National Health Mission bat layo ya ka jingkran mai phang na u state nodal officer jong ka NMHP u Dr. B. Soklen u bolong ru u secretary jong ka SMHA u kongsan ha ni jelang u dei u secretary jong ka sarkar jilla bakhmi ya katnat ka koi ka khia u Pravin Bakshi u bolong ru mission director jong ka National Health Mission kinang isim menta ha ni jingi mer jemon halor ka phang padang ka balabu aktin English Young People and Mental Health in Changing World kikin top yu Dr. Raj Konwar naka Nazareth Hospital u Reverend VTS Langste nang ta ka wai na gino hikai jong ka skolba Martin Luther Christian University ikong Wera di Shilla nang ta i Dr. JM Ningdo na po Nazareth Hospital balapnya jak Jingïatai daka program officer jong ka Rashtriya Kishor Swasthya Karyakram ikong Flourish Lingdo ki jingkran hakani kasngi kilong halor ka jingpuran kam ye ki jingdi penbuai daki khon samla bat ka bor pakhat jongki nang ta ka social media bat ki samla ka kamram jongki kimi ki kpa bat kino hikai hak bakmi ya ka jingdon kam hak ka kot ka khia ka pakhat perdan haki khon samla bat ban plela daki khon samla banyata ye ther bat ye sam jimot lang hapdeng jongki para samla
is to keep education about the mental illness and the awareness. Many of us, I think, we are not aware of the medical illness and the presence of medical illness and the presence or the availability of the care system or the healthcare system is available at present. And for some students, they may say, what is by the meaning of advocacy? Advocacy comes from the word advocate, I rather say, is to plead. It plead me and each and every one of us about the mental health. Most of us, we discriminate them, and the society itself is a stigma to them. Because of this stigma and the misunderstanding which is widespread about mental illness, it prevents the patient, even the family members, to come forward in spite of the availability of the effective treatment for mental health illnesses. There is always a belief when you are suffering from mental illness is untreatable. Rather, is considered people with mental illness very difficult people, not intelligent, rather not incapable of making any decision. And this leads to stigma, lead to abuse, rejection, isolation. Even we exclude people from mental health, or we exclude them from mental health care and support. I want to thankful for the World Federation of Mental Health, which first they celebrate the World Mental Health Day is 1992, with the initiation of the Global Mental Health Organization, which is present more than 150 countries, with the members and contact more than 150 countries. And World Health Organization recognize World Mental Health Day on the 10th of October every year. And each year there is a specific theme. And this year they have rightly put or set the themes as young people and mental health in a changing world. So this is the day where thousands and thousands of supporters and stakeholders come to celebrate this annual awareness program in order to bring attention to the people with mental illness and its major effects on people at large.
We are living in an age of technology. We are living in an age where social media, electronic media has completely taken over our lives. We are living in an age where perhaps peer pressure is the highest amongst the youth. So all of us here even to some extent me. I think we're well past our youth. And the things were different. So even in our own life, we are able to see the difference in the behavior of the youth. And it's not a negative observation. The pressures are so much. The influences are so many. And the invasive speed with which social media has taken over our lives, that has had a very negative impact on our youth, on our young minds. So it is not very unusual that you have a cyberspace life and you have a real life. So the real life is what you wake up in the morning and see yourself in the mirror. And the cyberspace life is your make-believe, imaginative world where you can take all kinds of nice photos of yourself, which is very different from you, with nice taglines, and you splash it onto the media. You want to show your best side there. In schools, colleges, fashion has grown by leaps and bounds. Not that it is a bad thing, but you should be comfortable in doing what you do, not to be forced by peer pressure to dress and speak in a special way. So this is all documented. It is not something that has come to us like a bolt of lightning. It's not a lightning strike to us. These are ongoing changes over the last few years which have made our youth increasingly susceptible to mental illness, or let's loosely put it, depression, stress, and anxiety, and so on and so forth. So this is an appeal to all our youth also. Don't get depressed by anything if it takes place in your life. Heartbreak, it could be, somebody leaves you, you leave somebody better is waiting for you. Note that for them. And second thing is that in your studies, try your best, but there are 100 things more. So Mayawati tried for civil service, didn't make it, but she became the chief minister of UP for so many times. So many people didn't make it so big, but they did very well in life. So you have to make your mark in life, but only if you have your priorities right. If you divert from there, then it's very, very